Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing this. I'm not going to do the usual turnaround because my address is here. So let's open her up. So if memory serves, this comes from YouTube. Put that there. No address, good. Sorry for the dogs making noise. Where is it? Here. So sweet victory partner. We have, you managed to get your hands on some special YouTube M&Ms and keepsake tin in store for your next big ideas. A special thank you to friends at our YouTube and all hard work. We love enjoying your treats. Tag us at YouTube, high five so we can check it out. Deal. Then here is the box. It's quite a cool little tin, to be honest. Best before next year, 9th of Feb. It's got milk, lactose, soya. And that is it. If we open her up, boom, we have limited edition M&M's, little play buttons. But yeah, thank you very much, YouTube, and high five. That is epic.